Alright, time to do some winter cleanup. Pretty much everything dying. Got a good 80-degree day today, so gonna try and clean up a bunch of this crap down here by the creek. Now that I can actually see to figure out where the creek edge is, so I don't dump my tractor into the creek. Get all this stuff cleaned up around the edges here. Got the old Mahindra out here. Got the grapple on the front to pick up logs and stuff. A big old bush hog on the back to be able to get all this stuff all cleaned up. So that's the goal. Bush hog all this stuff for the next little bit. Some people may not know how to run a tractor. I didn't used to know. So looks like a manual transmission. First, second, third, fourth. Got your clutch on that side. Got a brake here, throttle there. That's your foot throttle. Here's your hand throttle. This controls your front bucket. So up, down, and then that tilts the bucket up and down. To open up the grapples, hydraulic lever. That's down here. This lever is how you open and close the grapples. This is how you control up and down on the bush hog. So you can lower it or you can raise it, depending on how big of stuff you got going back there. Over on this side, we've got the high and low shifter, and this activates the PTO for the bush hog. So it's off, now it's engaged. So now you've got that drive shaft in the middle spinning. I'll just show you real quick kind of what it's capable of, so you can see this little tiny tree there. I want to get all that crap cleared out. So put it down into low. This is how you adjust, go forward, neutral, reverse. Got a little distracted, wanted to come up on the hill because it's all overgrown up here. So now I'm up here, gonna be bush hogging all this stuff. Just a gorgeous view from up here. Old Big Red up on the hill. So gonna clear all this mess up. Well, there's the start of the burn pile. Made some progress. Not quite finished, but gotta go off to date night, so you can see this is all cleared up over here. I found quite a few big logs that I've stored over here. Gonna eventually make a man bridge out of them to be able to walk across the creek. So those are stored up there, but all this is all cleared out now. Bush hogging down here. Didn't used to be able to see the creek, and almost got the tractor stuck down there, but we didn't, so that's good. All those concrete blocks came from there. All were buried there. Got our burn pile started over there. Got all this cleared out. Shifting gears slightly over to the backhoe. We got neighbor Jared over here on the tractor, bush hogging up there, and I want to clear a path through here. So I am having a trail. Never really experienced that side of my property, just because it's been too thick. So I'm gonna push through all this stuff with the backhoe and create somewhat of a trail. This right here is one of my favorite parts about the backhoe. Got this big old dead tree. Pick your bucket up. Kingston, watch out.